Suicide. In 2016, the number of suicides in India had increased to 230,314. Suicide was the most common cause of death in both the age groups of 15 to 29 and 15 to 39 years. About 9 lakh people die by suicide worldwide every year. Of these, 1,35,000, that is approximately 17%, are residents of India, a nation with 17.5% of world population. In the year 1987 and between 2007, the suicide rate increased from 7.9 to 10.3 per 1 lakh, with higher suicide rates in southern and eastern states of India. Suicide. What is it? Suicide is defined as the intentional taking of one's own life. Prior to the late 19th century, suicide was legally defined as a criminal act in most of the Western countries. In the social climate of early 2000s, however, suicidal behavior is most commonly regarded and responded to as a psychiatric emergency. Why this is happening? Because these days everybody is coping up with the day-to-day pressures in their life. Due to fast-paced life in metros, which raises the tendency of suicide in a person, and I am 100% sure that each and everyone has thought it for once in his or her lifetime. Our newspapers or social media platforms are full of these stories of suicide. No age group is left out in this. Students are the first in this group, that is due to the competitions they have to face and the pressure of performance on them by the parents or the teachers. According to WHO data, the age standardized suicide rate in India is 16.4 per lakh for women, that is 6th highest in the world, and 25.8 for men, ranking 22nd in the world. The most common method of suicide is by poisoning, that is 33%, hanging 26%, and self-immolation 9%, as per the studies done on suicide in 2012. Depression is the main cause of suicide in today's time. Now let us see what are the common symptoms of depression. Depressed mood most of the day, feeling sad or empty, tearful. There will be significant loss of interest or pleasure in activities that used to be enjoyable. Significant weight loss or weight gain even if you are not on diet. Decrease or increase in appetite. Difficulty in sleeping or sleeping too much. Agitation or slowing down of thoughts and reduction of physical movements. Fatigue or loss of energy. Feelings of worthlessness or inappropriate guilt. Poor concentration or having difficulty making decisions. Thinking every time about death or suicide are the symptoms that shows that you are depressed. Depression, also known as major depressive disorder, can be challenging to manage because your symptoms may not be limited to just one episode and may return without an appropriate treatment plan. Symptoms that remain after initial antidepressant treatment are known as unresolved symptoms. Suicidal tendencies can make life hell for all concerned. The emotional pain that one experiences is so intense that unless you are actually experiencing it, you are not likely to understand just how serious it is. If you are still talking about suicide, it means you have not got to the point where you have fatalistically made up your mind. Those tormenting thoughts that you are hearing in your mind, the ones that are telling you that you are not worthy, the ones telling you that everyone would be better off without you. Those visions you are getting of you throwing yourself off a bridge, under a train, or something similar, those thoughts, they are not yours. They are coming from outside influences. They are coming from what one would class as either demonic beings or negative energies. But be clear in your thought, those are not your thoughts, they are psychic attacks. What even more important is that even if you know better, you can still be very vulnerable to such influences, especially if you are carrying guilt, doubt, or letting other people down. Also be sure that this body and soul is not yours. You are just the holders and it belongs to him. He is very sure how to keep it in control. There is such a remedy that is called Bach flower, and there are some of the remedies that may be useful to you, which we will see and study in next slides. Now we will discuss some methods to cure depression, which are easy and the most safest way. We will discuss here 12 combinations in Bach flower remedies which can be helpful for controlling the depression you are facing in the life. The first remedy in Bach flower remedies is white chestnut. This one is vital, which can help turn off your tormenting thoughts. It helps prevent and stop suicidal thoughts, especially those that are playing on your fears and self-worth. In essence, it blocks those negative beings. The next in the list is cherry plum. These can help those people who are prone to uncontrolled actions and compulsions. Traditionally, the remedy for letting go of what you are bottling up inside of you. Third remedy is willow. Those on the edge are often in a victim mode. They might feel bitter, resentful, or simply feel that their situation is not fair and no one is able to understand them. Willow is critical to stop those feelings. Many who carry massive guilt can barely bear it. The pain can be so intense and the sense that they should remove themselves from others and life is overwhelming. The remedy pine stops the guilt. This is a high chance that those who carry guilt don't even know that they do. All they will experience is this unending emotional pain that they can't seem to place. In life, many times we feel hopeless and don't believe that anything is going to make a difference. The remedy gorse restores hope. We had just talked about gorse, which restores hope. Next in this series is a remedy called gentian. This remedy is for faith, the comforter. Take it in a crisis will bring reassurance that everything will work out in the end. That is what we all want in life. Our next remedy is large. It is for those who suffer from lack of self-esteem or we lose confidence. It's the remedy for when you simply do not feel worthy of being here or of others' love. Kindly consider large. Dr. Batch once said, "This remedy dispels gloom and brings joy into life." It is depression, almost a despair, which may suddenly close down upon the individual for no apparent reason. It may lift just as suddenly, but while it lasts, it envelops the sufferer like a black cloud, shutting out all the pleasures and joy of life. In short, the depression that comes and goes for no reason. Next remedy of the elm flowers is for those who feel at times overwhelmed by the responsibility and scope of their work, and the feeling of inadequacy results in despondency and exhaustion. Next in the list is olive. It is for those who have suffered a long time from worrying and adverse conditions or from long and serious illness and feel they are sapped of all vitality, that their minds are wearied and exhausted by their efforts, and that they have no reserve to face further suffering. It has the power to restore peace to the tired mind and strength to the body exhausted by suffering. Next remedy for depression is hornbeam. At times, the individual is assailed by an uncertainty or doubt if he will have sufficient strength and ability to face life and work. But when put to the proof, he usually accomplishes his tasks without difficulty. Hornbeam gives mental and physical strength to those. The fears, apprehensions, forebodings that come upon us for no known cause or reason need aspen. Aspen fears are haunting fears that may come day or night. They may be a sudden waking in terror in the night without knowing the cause of the awakening, or a dread of going to sleep for fear of what might happen. Often they are connected with thoughts of death or religion. These people need aspen for sure. Batch flower remedies are 100% safe with no side effects. Also, when you feel fine again, you can stop taking the remedies as you will remain fine without it also. It's also important to understand that these remedies are vibrational in nature and hence they do not interfere or react with any other medication you may be taking. They are safe, non-toxic, non-addictive, gentle and effective. There is absolutely no diet or other restrictions. No contraindications, can be taken anytime, not necessarily before or after food. There are so many other alternative health systems which can help you cure your depression. Such systems are acupuncture, Sujok therapy, and one of the systems we are adapting is pulse metabolic analysis. This facility is available at our Delhi and Panipat center, whose details are given further in the next slide. As I have told you earlier, there are many systems to cure and fight your depression. One of that system is a number therapy. In this slide, you are seeing some of the secret codes which you can write on your left side of the body. It can also help cure your depression. These may not be medically acknowledged, but this is also a system where vibration of numbers can help treat you better.